to it. This is what it should look like. If
¿Qué pasa contigo?
people, it's your girl Gracie, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this star design. Before we get to this video, make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. And in my last video, I said I was going to do a comment shout out. So make sure you watch this video till the end because you might get a shout out today. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to make your headband. If you want to see how I made this headband, check out the video I'm going to put here. And the link is going to be in the description also. So make this headband. You can make your cap or the other headband, but this is the easiest, so I suggest you make this one. Then after making the headband, we are going to start making the design. Now, to be able to make this design, there is no certain measurements for this design. All you need to do is get a round, something that has a round surface like this, or a cover of something or anything. I'm going to show you guys how to cut what we're about to cut now. Okay, so what we're just going to be doing now, you're just going to get your round surface. This cup I used was really small, so I had to change it to a plate. So you just get a plate and then you're going to place it on the material and mark the material. Make sure you mark it very clearly so you can be able to see what you're doing very well. So mark it very well, and then that's what you're going to get. So I didn't mark it very well, so I'm just going to remark it. Make sure you mark it very clearly so it will be easy for you to cut. And I'm going to be using my zigzag scissors to cut it, so make sure it will be very careful. So that's what you get. So you're just going to do 5 of that. 5 of that with the big plates. So that's what you're just going to do. Okay, so when you're done cutting, you should have something like this. So the last thing I used was the small cup, but it was really small. I realized that it was really small, so I decided to use the plate. But if you have cut the small one already, don't throw it away. You still need to use it at one point. So this is what you should have. So what we're going to do from here, you're going to fold it in half like this. When you fold it in half, you're not going to fold it again. So this is what you should have, and they have to be equal. You have a funnel like design. So the next thing you're going to do now is to sew it in like pleated kind of ways. So like this. Now when you sew it, you're not dragging it yet, or you can drag it if it's not enough, but this is what you should do. Then fold the next one. Fold the next one like this. Like this. And then join it with this one. So you're going to join all of them together basically. That's just what you're going to do. This one you can't like use a sewing machine to do it, so you just have to use your hands to do it. But yeah, that's what you're just going to be doing. So make sure you're sewing it very well. Make sure you're getting both of them so it won't like shrink or anything. So I'm just going to do that. So you're just going to be joining all of them together. So I'm just going to do that and then show you guys the end product. So when you finish putting them together, this is what you should have. If you don't have this, just know you've done something wrong, so you're going to lose it and start from the beginning again. But this is what you should have. So basically I just like joined everything together. Yeah, that's what I just did. So you're just going to tie it. Make sure it's strong though. If it's not strong, you can go round again, but that's going to be like major stress. So make sure the first time you go, it's strong. So you're just going to tie it and then I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to sew your design to your headband. So you're going to have something like this. I've already sewed my own, so you're going to have something like this. Hey. So this is what we're going to be having. So the next thing we're going to do after sewing it to our headband, remember those pieces I said we shouldn't throw away, the ones we made mistakes with before? We're going to use it to cover this place. But this one is too big, so I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, so it will just be really small. And then that's where we're going to put our brooch on. So I'm just going to do that and then show you guys what I got. Okay, so when you finish sewing the little one, so this is what it should look like. If you know how to sew that this won't show in front, you can do that. But this is how I know how to do it, so that's what you're supposed to get. Now the next thing is for you to put your brooch. If you're using the iron brooch, that means you're going to have to sew it to the material, but I'm using another cloth brooch. So this one, that's what I'm using today, and I'm just going to gum it to it. So that's what I'm just going to do. I'm just going to be using my B6000 gum to gum it. So I'm just going to do that and then show you guys what happened. Okay, so when you're done putting the brooch, this is what you have. This is what I have, because we might not be using the same brooch, and I didn't make this, I bought it, so you guys should not even think that I made it. So now some people can decide to leave it like this. It's not dry yet. Some people can decide to leave it like this, but I wanted to try something new, so I'm just going to stone it with my tiny stones, my tiny silver stones. So that's what I'm just going to do, and then I'm going to show you guys if it made sense or not. Okay, so I tried to put the stones right, and I came out with this. Are you guys feeling? You people should just feel this. Oh my god, like I just did this. Guys, you guys should feel it. Isn't this cool? Like, wow. So you guys should try it by yourselves. I'm just going to wait so you guys can see. I just folded the sides because I like folding this type of band. So you guys should try it and make sure. Oh my god, I love this. This is going to be mine. I'm not giving anybody. I ain't giving this to nobody. So this is what it is. This is what I got. So make sure you try it by yourself, and even if you don't get it the first time, you can always do it again. Don't give up on it. Make sure you try it and keep trying it until you get it. Okay, and if you have any questions about what I just did today, or any questions at all, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below, and I'm going to link my other videos in the description box too. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And now I'm going to be doing the shout outs. Yes, I'm going to be doing the shout outs. So the first and major shout out goes to my parents. Without them, this channel was not going to be possible. So thank you so much for making this channel possible for me. The next shout out goes to Miriam. Thank you very much. The next shout out goes to Tommy. Thank you very much also. And the last but not the least shout out goes to Miebaka. Thank you very much. And thank all of you that subscribe to my channel, all of you that are watching my videos. Thank you so much. Make sure you keep watching, make sure you keep sharing, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And make sure you leave a comment, because next week I can do another shout out again. You might be lucky. So with that being said, this is going to be the end of my video. See you guys next week.